This will give me energy to get back to my car. Otherwise I would freeze to death here. And they would find me face down, half eaten by coyotes. Oh, hello everybody! I hope you recognize this place, because last time, which is a week ago, it was somehow pleasant, but today it's not the same. As you see, the storm brought, let's say, 10 inches of snow, and I return to see if I can first find the shelter and also to see what I can do in this kind of weather to perhaps make some improvements. We have rain, freezing rain almost, so excellent weather, and probably there will be a couple rain spots on the lands, but who cares? Challenge is the most important. So some people wake up in the morning because of nice day and sunshine and warmth, but today I couldn't even sleep almost because I was so excited about what the weather will look like in the morning. As it was in one old song, the guy was singing, "This is my church, this is where I heal my hurts," and that's true for me. I don't know why, I love this kind of weather and challenge. But I am happy. So I needed to take different route than before. I'm not gonna cross any creeks, I'm just going around them. And I believe the platform is that way, so let's go. Okay, it was foolish from me to say I'm not gonna cross any creeks. Look at that, after 2 minutes walking. Water. I have to find different way. I found this crossing. There is some kind of branch over it. Hopefully I can cross it, otherwise the water is at least 2 feet deep or something. Very crazy. And the weather is turning worse. I need this for support. So let's go. Lot of water. But I think I can make it. That'll be great. Yeah! On the other side. What do you think about the weather? I love it. Beautiful. I found it! Now I am completely safe! There is still a bit of snow, as expected, on the top of the platform. Now I want to set up quick tarp and enjoy some meal. Yes, you guessed it, not the most comfortable or beautiful shelter, but I am somehow out of the rain and I can eat something, and unfortunately I will not have time to make some improvements to the shelter. So I have, let's say, hour before I need to go back to my car. Simple but very delicious. Smoked fish in tomato sauce, excellent! And just so you know, I am not some kind of crazy suffering survivalist. I am a high-class survivalist. I even have a dessert. Just want to show you how these pans works. I have other pans under them and look, they are completely dry. This is just close to wood, but otherwise completely dry. Love it! Alright, it looks like Mother Nature is giving me a break with the rain. Need to dry my gloves one more time. Now they will be extremely warm and cozy. And certainly this is not the last trip here. I believe I will have chance during this winter to improve the shelter. I already have some ideas and I hope we will have together a lot of fun, like today. So I am leaving. I hope you enjoyed this short episode. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. And thank you for your comments and the support. And as always, take care guys. See you in the next video.